Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you have just created a new Facebook group and you want to share it with your friends so that they can join your groups and your group engagement will be increased, then this video will be helpful for you. Because in this video I will show you how you can easily share your Facebook group with your friends and other people so that you can increase the engagement of your Facebook group very easily. So guys, let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook application and then click on three lines on top right corner. After that, click on groups, and then in the top menu click on your groups. After that, scroll down, and here you can see groups you manage. Here your all groups will appear, and now click on the group that you want to share. So I want to share my first group. Click on first group and then click on manage. After that, scroll down, and here you can see share group option. Click on it, and here it will give you three different options: share to Facebook, send in Messenger, or copy the link. If you want to share the Facebook group through the link so that people can directly join your Facebook group through this link, then click on copy link. And now you can share your link through WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and many more. So guys, in this way you can share your Facebook group very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.